I'm here to ask a question to you all. A question that affects each and every one of us. A question that doesn't need any more detailed answer than this. The question is our society really rising? Before getting to an answer, let's have a peek inside our real society. She is not virgin. Society would say she is characterless. And the reality is, she had a relationship. We decide. She loves wearing modern outfits. Jeans, tops, skirts, one piece. It doesn't mean she wants to provoke boys. She just loves wearing modern outfits. We decide. She loves hanging out with friends, maybe more with male friends. Society would say, लड़की हाथ से निकल गई. शर्मा जी की लड़की हाथ से निकल गई. And the reality is, she is gregarious and loves going out. We decide. She mostly wears a smile whenever she talks or speaks something. Society would say she is flirting. And the reality is, she has a charming personality and a better way to communicate. We decide. Whenever she parties, she boozes. Society would say she is a girl with low morals. And the reality is, she's just fond of drinking at parties. We decide. She works at night shifts. Society would say she must be into something immoral. And the reality is, her decent job demands so. We decide. She touches, pet and hug her male friends. Society would say she wants to have sex with them. And the reality is, she feels comfortable with them. We decide. And I really wonder, who are we to decide? A famous poet said, दूसरों में नुक्स तो यूं निकालते हैं हम, अपने किरदार में फरिश्ते हों जैसे. I think he's right. These incidents bring me back to ask a very, very important question. Is our society really rising? Think about it.